Welcome back to another episode of Another Day, another opening na naman tayo guys. So meron tayong Stance Designer Toy Edition. Pero bagong lahat, meron tayong package from Beckett. And isang card lang to, and it is the Tribal Chip SSP number 225. And I got 9.5. If you're interested in grading your cards, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or you scan the QR above. Thank you guys for your support. And now, open na natin yung stand. So, nag-open tayo kahapon ng Cody Rhodes and this time, this Roman Reigns. And designer toys. Maangas to guys. See, Tribal Chip. Tingnan nyo pa lang yung box oh. Angas. And numbered din siya to 500. So, I got 126 I think. And ito yung sa kanyang design. And the certificate, 126/500. And ito na si Roman Reigns guys. Angas, nagsusuperman punch. Sinakto ko talaga ng dating ng Beckett bago i-open to eh. Astig, tingnan nyo yung base guys, oh, Roman Reigns, the head of the table, and yung backdrop niya. And look at these guys, WrestleMania. And Roman Reigns. So, noong 2016 pumunta sila dito, meron ako napapirma sa kanya. Ito yung poster na pirmado ni Roman Reigns.